Today I show you how to fast charge your iPad, how to use the charging normal speed so you don't get the notification, the warning of a slow charger. So this is my iPad here. Here I have the Ikea Sjoss charger, and these are the specifications in case you need to find some other charger it can do this. For a single port or double port, that means if you plug in two devices or only one device. And I also have here the Lillhult 3-meter cables. These ones are USB-C to USB-C, 60 watts maximum, 3 meters. That's pretty nice, 3 meters. That's the cable. And most of the time you can use any of the Sjoss cables. You can use any of the Sjoss chargers with really any of the Ikea cables, but I like these ones that they're long. They have 3 meters, so I can reach to it. Plug it into the USB port, and you see the battery is charging now. And the way to check to make sure that your iPad is charging at fast speed, you shouldn't see here when in the settings. So for example here, if I see it's charging 67%, everything looks okay, but you have to go to the settings and then battery and make sure here it doesn't show you anything about slow charger, and the color should be green. If everything is green here on the battery, if everything is green here on the battery status while you're charging the iPad, then it's great. You're charging with the normal speed, and the speed of the charging can vary depending on the charger. This one is 45 watts maximum, but with a better charger you might be able to charge it faster. For me, this is good enough. 45 watts is more than enough for me, and I can unplug it. I can even turn it around to the other side. So no matter which way you plug it in, it will charge your iPad the same way. This is a slow data cable, so you can't really use them much for data transfer. This is a USB 2.0 speed data cable, so you can't really use them for data transfer, but for charging they are ideal. It's charging normally. This is the charging speed on the iPad, and it shows green all the way. It's been plugged in for a while and it's still green. Everything is charging normally, so that's good. You have some information here if you want to see details about charging and what charging the battery should be like. And I also recommend enabling the 80% limit. So on battery health, enable the 80% charging limit to save some of the battery life, so it lasts longer. But yeah, the charger works perfectly. The Sjoss and the Ikea chargers, they're pretty good. Yeah, this is pretty good, and the prices are nice also for that. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.